Assalamualaikum students, I am your teacher Sumiya presenting here another social studies lecture from the platform of Black Castle. Students, today we will start our new chapter, lesson 3, clean and healthy. In this chapter we are going to learn the different ways for keeping ourselves healthy and clean. Let's get started. Word meanings. Our first word is care. You will repeat after me, okay? Care. Care, ख्याल रखना. So its meaning is look after. Another word is clean. Clean means साफ सुथरा. So its meaning is tidy. Tidy. Next, healthy. Healthy, सेहतमंद. Fit. Ourselves. Ourselves, when we talk about ourselves, what does it mean? We. Hum. So these are the word meanings. Now trace them all and rewrite them as well on your notes and then learn them with spellings. Till the next lecture, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.